Ito na, Tito Diego, ang ating favorite time of the day.
Yes.
Ang
What's for
breakfast?
And kasama natin today, Kika, is si Chef Carlo Luis Carlos.
Good morning, Chef Carlo.
Hi there, good morning,
Good morning.
Chef Carlo, ano ba ang prepare natin breakfast?
So today we'll be making a crispy fried halloumi sandwich with smashed avocados. It's nice because it's vegetarian friendly.
Wow, para sa
What
mga
is
nagda-diet.
Yeah, and also if you're health conscious about
What
it.
is a halloumi? Chef?
Halloumi is it's a semi-hard cheese. It's made with goat or sheep milk.
Okay, so
and then it's in brine, so it's a bit salty, almost like feta.
so it's like the cheese itself has a neutral flavor, and it absorbs whatever sauce you can put on the sandwich, something like that.
Something like that.
All right.
yes.
What are the
Halloumi.
ingredients, Chef?
So the ingredients for this would be, right now I'm using ciabatta bread.
So let's go with for the fried halloumi.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have halloumi cheese, flour, panko, dried oregano, an egg, and then vegetable oil for frying. And then of course we have avocados, limes, and then burger buns, or brioche, ciabatta, any will do. We have mint leaves, balsamic glaze, tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes right now, and a bunch of arugula or rocket.
Okay. And if we cannot find halloumi in our friendly groceries,
You
Ano
can also
pwedeng
use
alternative?
quesong puti.
Quesong puti.
that would be the
nice as well.
closest. That would be the closest to the
Yes,
halloumi.
that would be kind of the closest to it. And it's locally sourced pa.
Okay, game. Let's see how this is made, Chef Carlo.
Ano ba yung una natin gagawin dito, Chef Carlo, sa ating breakfast for today?
So first, we're going to season the halloumi cheese with oregano, both sides, of course, and then dip it in flour, just so that the egg sticks when we put it on the breadcrumbs. And then, of course, we're going to dip it in egg.
Standard breading procedure.
Yes, standard breading procedure.
Okay.
You can use fine breadcrumbs, but I like using panko
Panko.
because
Talaga yun the
it's crispier.
best.
So we have our spiced flour, egg, and then panko breadcrumbs.
Yes. Just make sure all the breadcrumbs stick to the cheese na lang, especially with the egg. But what you can also do is you can also double coat it. So right after you put it in the breadcrumbs, dip it in the egg again, and then add more breadcrumbs. It turns out crispier that way. And then
Like-
make sure your oil is hot enough.
Double coated.
Yes,
Double coated.
you can double coat it. Make sure your oil is hot enough long, and then just fry it until it's golden brown. The halloumi cheese won't melt as much as the other cheese because it's semi-hard cheese.
Okay.
nga. So you can actually just do this even without the breadcrumbs, and then you can
Yes.
just sear it in a pan.
But I
Oh,
guess
masarap
the
ito.
breadcrumbs gives it this crunchy and crisp texture.
It's a better texture when it comes to
Oh, here we are with the avocados. What are we
So
doing?
with the avocados, I'm just squeezing a little bit of lime in it so that there's a little bit of freshness. And then with this step, I'm just crushing it with a spoon. But it depends on you on how chunky you want your avocado to be on your sandwich. So you're the boss of your own avocado.
So if you want it on a chunkier side, then just smash it a little.
Yeah,
But if
just
you want it
smash it a little.
smoother,
Yes.
then work it up more.
And so I have my toasted ciabatta bread over there, and then I'm going to layer a little bit of avocado.
Tapos, ano yung gagawin natin susunod?
And
Ito
then-
na.
Yes.
There's the halloumi cheese.
That's the halloumi cheese. I put a little bit of mint actually on top of the avocados.
So fresh
And then-
mint leaves.
Yes. And then on top of the halloumi cheese, you can put your arugula and then cherry tomatoes. And then you finish it up with the balsamic glaze.
Wow. Very light and tasty.
Yes.
Oh.
Ang ganda ng presentation. Tapos,
And
ano
that's
yung
it.
kinalat mo, Chef? What's that? Is
That's
it
the balsamic glaze.
vinegar?
What you can do is it's different from balsamic vinegar because it's
I think this is a
it's bit more
reduction, right?
reduced. Yes,
This
it's
is a reduction, no?
with a little bit more sugar.
Okay.
So it's a little bit
Oh,
sweeter
so it's on
than
the
the
sweeter
typical,
side.
yes,
Alright.
than the typical
to give you
balsamic vinegar.
contrast from the cherry tomatoes and
Yes,
others.
and the saltiness
And
of
the saltiness.
cheese.
So there we have it, our crispy fried halloumi
Halloumi burger with smashed avocado. Yummy. And itong mga nasa table natin, Chef, pare-pareho lang yan, ano? Yung
Yes,
ating,
it's the same.
Yung ating halloumi burger. Napakasarap.
Just that I think the other halloumi burger, you did it in layers.
No, I just cut it in half.
You can just
But
cut it in half.
It's all the same.
It's all the same.
Yes.
But the halloumi could also be a cheese to a meat, or it's not. It doesn't match.
I'll still have to check on that and try to pair it up. But typically, halloumi is just eaten as
And where is halloumi from?
halloumi is
Middle East
from
ba to?
Greece.
Galing ba? Sa
Greece.
Greece.
Yes. I think it's typically made with sheep or goat milk, but then also cow's milk will also do. And then
okay.
it's submerged in brine.
Halloumi.
Yes.
So at medyo salty siya. na
Oo.
pa.
Chef Carlo, paano ka ba makokontak ng ating mga kasangbahan?
I think the contact details will be down here.
There.
Yes.
Carlo.
So that's my personal Instagram.
Carlo Luis Carlos.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm also a partner with My Chef Food Business Solutions
okay.
and also the head chef for an upcoming restaurant in Alabang. It's called South Bank Cafe and Lounge. So we'll be opening around next month.
Lapit na.
Yes.
And what
So
time,
it's-
when you do open, what time?
We'll be open from 6 a.m. That's going to be the cafe side of it.
So you have breakfast.
We'll have breakfast starting at 9. So you can have coffee
At
you're
6 and
going
then
to work
eat at
at 6 in
9.
the morning. And then we're open until 2 in the morning.
2 in the morning.
Yes.
And
And we also have a bar aspect of it.
what kind of food can we expect?
It's going to be Australian inspired food.
Wow, Australian
food.
inspired.
Contact details, chef.
Yep, there we go. There's my email if you want to reach me.
And yan. So Carlos.
Carlo Luis at gmail.com.
Contact number 0917-574.
0503.
Ayan.
Maraming salamat, Chef Carlo Luis Carlos, para sa ating breakfast for today. Thank you,
You're
Chef.
welcome.
Thank you.